The sleeve cuff is worked without underlap. The narrow sides of the cuff closes with the edges of the sleeve slit. Reinforce outer cuff parts with interfacing. Fold the sleeve cuff left sides together and iron in the crease. We will show you a super neat way of working the cuff. Fold up the seam allowance of the outer sleeve cuff and iron. Now place the right sides together and fold over the seam allowance of the inner cuff to the other side. Sew over all layers when closing both narrow sides now. Turn inside out and press all edges neatly. Both seam allowances are now folded to the inside. Mark 1.5 centimeters from the open edge and top stitch along this line. Now put all the pleats in your lower sleeve hem. You put the notches X on O and pin them. Then you'll sew the pleats in place. Now use your lower sleeve hem and tuck it in your sleeve cuff between your lower hem. If your lengths are not matching up, take out one of the pleats again. Make the hem fit and tuck it in the sleeve cuff. Pin everything in place and sew along the lower sleeve cuff close to the edge. You will now sew the button and buttonhole into your sleeve cuffs, and you are finished.